Every day they wake up from their beds, thinking about others, that's only what goes on in their heads.
A professional in medicine he is according to text. I think they might have forgotten to mention the rest.
Now the tears they shed when they see someone lose their lives, or when they have to see them say their last goodbyes.
And when you see the sparkle of happiness in their eyes, then they helped someone really survive.
And even when the clock strikes midnight, they're not tired, not even a sigh.
Because they have that hope in their hearts. They never let the patient fall apart.
At that one time when someone's life is in danger or when someone's feeling a little bit blue.
You trust a doctor even though he's a complete stranger because he's the only one who knows what you're going through.
So thanks to the doctors with all our heart, who have given us light even in the dark.
Hashtag the gods on earth.
So let's salute those hashtag lifesavers and pass the mask.
I thank the doctors with all my heart. Hashtag pass the mask on.
Hashtag pass the mask.
Hashtag pass the mask.
Hashtag salute to defenders of our health. One day they will succeed.
Hashtag salute to the doctors.